BMC.
Hello, my name is Samanga Anand. I am from SYBMC.
My name is Samir Mani and I am from SY Bass.
कल हमने डे 2 में देखा था जैसे कि कॉलेज टूर किया था जैसे कि कॉलेज कैंटीन स्ट्रीट एरिया और कॉलेज के क्लासरूम जैसे आज हम दीक्षा हम डे 3 में देखने वाले 7th फ्लोर और 6th फ्लोर.
So let's start with our tour. This is principal's cabin. Let's move on to our admin office.
जैसे कि आपने देखा वो प्रिंसिपल का था ये एडमिन ऑफिस है. अभी हम बात करने वाले मैनेजर अनिशा मैम. अनिशा मैम उधर है.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Anisha and I am in charge of the administrative office situated in this building in the 7th floor. First of all, I would like to welcome all the first year students who have got admitted in various programs, the academic year 26-27. And moreover, you must be knowing, apart from your academic, the administrative office also plays a supportive system for your entire academic journey. And as you know, all the certificates which will be issued from this particular office along with the official documents. So you need not have to go anywhere else for these kind of services. One more thing that I would like to say is that the certificates which we say is being already mentioned in the prospectus in a detailed manner. So all the procedures, whatever you need to know is already mentioned in the prospectus. So I encourage all the students to go through the prospectus, and if in any case you don't understand anything, you are always free to come to our office and ask our help, and we are always there to support and guide you. Our staff members are always ready to help the students for the same. Now, one more thing is that the certificates which we say, it also carries fees for its services. So the fees you will have to pay at the fees counter, which is on the ground floor. And in the ground floor, there is also the accounts department which is there. So related with your fees or your payment, your installment, everything will be handled by the staff over there. Now, as I said, the procedures are already there in the prospectus. Whenever you are applying for any certificates, it should always be carried out with an application addressing to the principal, attaching all the required documents for the same, and the subject for the same in a detailed manner. And one more thing is that whenever you are submitting any documents which is essential for any procedures, especially the originals, I would request all the students to keep ample number of Xerox copies with you before submitting any originals, because after that, if at all you need these certificates, then you will have to go here and there for asking for the same. So always keep in mind that any original certificates which you submit, you have to keep the Xerox copy along with the same. Okay. Then as I say that you are in the first year. So in the first year degree college, the main aspect you people have to do is your registration, which is a procedure. And as you know that we are affiliated to Mumbai University. So this University of Mumbai has a mandatory procedure of registration, which is called as enrollment and eligibility. Now, enrollment and eligibility is one of the same, but it is divided with the two names because enrollment means for students who have appeared their HSC examination from the State Board of Maharashtra. So for them, the procedure of enrollment comes, and eligibility is for the students who come from various other boards like CBSE, ICSE, and so on, and students who come from other states apart from Maharashtra. The eligibility procedure is for those students. Now, the documentation for eligibility is a little bit vast because they'll have to submit their originals like their mark sheet, their passing certificate, the migration, their transfer certificate or LC issued by the school or colleges. Now, that is what I said. Whenever you are submitting any originals to the college office, you have to keep ample Xerox copies along with the same. Now, this important procedure you have to be very much aware and treat it as very important, because if at all you do not complete the procedure of confirmation from the university, your admission will be provisional and the university has a right to cancel the same as well. So most of the problem happens that if the students' enrollment is not done properly, final what happens is that they might withhold the convocation degree certificate which is issued by the university. As you know that we are at an autonomous college, all the exams are conducted by the college, even the mark sheets are issued by the college itself, but the convocation degree certificate is issued by the university. So at the most they will do is that they might withhold the certificate, and it will be difficult for you because at the time of job or any other post graduation degrees in any other colleges, they might ask you this degree certificate, which is important. Even the admission cancellation can come from the university. So consider this particular procedure very important during the first year of your this. And this, what happens is that once you do this confirmation, you get a permanent registration number which is carried throughout your academic journey. That is your first year, second year, TY, and if at all now there is a fourth year, you will be having the same registration number. So these are the basic things which I can say is important for the first year students. And one more thing is that if at all still if anything is confusing you need any help at any time, you are always welcome here. As I said, do not loiter here and there asking for help. You can very well come to this college office and make and clear your doubts. And moreover, all the circulars and whatever notices which we are going to issue, it will be uploaded in the college website. So my again sincere request to the students are that it is your responsibility to check the website from time to time. That's all I have to say. Once again, I wish you all the very best. And as a college has a wonderful ambience and environment and facilities. So take the maximum out of it for your growth, mold your personality, and create a lot of memories. So all the very best from my Department of Administration, and good luck. Thank you.
And there is another candidate, the HOD of Mexico.
So this is the additional office, and let's move on to the next room.
So this is our conference room where all the faculty meetings happen. Let's move on with others.
So this is our storeroom and record rooms. Come to the highlight part of the auditorium.
तो क्या हो गया भाई, recess
ये
में भी
ऑडिटोरियम, इधर बहुत सारे इवेंट होते हैं कॉलेज के और बहुत सारे लोग पार्टिसिपेंट लेते हैं. इधर बहुत बड़ा इवेंट भी होता है.
झाडू दाखव तुम्ही काम करतात.
हाँ, बोलो ये ना. हम लोग क्या?
This is our showroom. This is our sir who handles all the grievances related to storage of our goods.
Please can you introduce yourself? आपका नाम and what
कुमार.
आप किस चीज़ से हेल्प कर सकते हैं, मतलब स्टूडेंट्स को अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुए, मतलब आप क्या चीज़ से हेल्प कर सकते हैं?
कौन सा हेल्प चाहिए आपको?
This is our account section and chairman office. Now we are going towards our college staff room.
Let me show you our staff room.
There is a college staff, there is a commerce and arts.
This is a faculty members for jo-
This is our staff room of the 7th floor.
This is our examination control room.
क्या व्लॉग बन रहा है क्या? हाँ.
There is an examination room.
Here, all of the faculty members who design our papers and set our exams.
So if you have any queries about examination or anything, you can come here. Sir,
Yeah,
can you introduce yourself?
my name is Niaz.
So what can you help with students who are like?
Making the marksheet of students
Okay.
और ये पूरा एग्जाम डिपार्टमेंट है, यहाँ से पूरा एग्जाम का ही काम होता है.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir. If you guys don't want to end up in this slum,
बहुत भीड़ है यार, सच्ची बहुत भीड़ है. और अगर आप भी ये भीड़ अवॉइड करना चाहते हो ना, तो टाइम पे मार्कशीट और केटीज क्लियर करो.
Let's go to the sixth floor.
We are heading towards the 6th floor.
That's
There is a library.
let's have a tour of our library. These are the
faculties of library. Sir, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Mesh Angri, librarian, Model College. He is Mr. Sanjay Singh, librarian. This is our library. This is a reading room. This is a reading room. It's around 120 students capacity. So basically the collection is divided into two parts, reference books and the textbooks. So reference books are here, and the textbooks are there. And all reference books are kept organized in classified manner. So you can see the name of the subjects and the corresponding cupboard numbers and the classification codes over there. So whichever subject you want, you can just check the cupboards, in which cupboards they are, and their corresponding classification codes.
So this is our IT lab.
There is a many computer labs. There is a computer lab. There is a computer lab 3.
This is
Live channel college. There is a computer lab 1.
Labs where the IPS students study. So what to sign now? So I'm just requesting all the students to come regular, which is the timing is 7:30 from tomorrow.
Thank you so
Such.
much.
Signing off. Day 3.
Day 3 Diksha Aram. Thank you so much.
अरे मुझे